Hello dear students, I hope you have seen two parts of this chapter 4, that is solid, liquid and gases, and read the chapter also. Now let's solve exercise of this chapter. Our first exercise is filling the blanks. First one is matter dash change its form from one state to another. Can or cannot. As we know, solid can change into liquid, liquid can change into gas. So we can say that matter can change its form from one state to another. Second one is dash a substance slow down the movement of its particle. When we are cooling the substance, particle movement slow down, so cooling. Third one is dash is a type of solidification. It is freezing. Freezing is a type of solidification. Fourth one is when two substances mix together such that they are evenly distributed, a dash is formed. Solute or solution? It forms a solution. Fifth one is dash a substance can make it expand. On heating, the substance is expand. Our next exercise is state true or false. First one is all matter is made up of small particles. That is true. Second one is condensation is the type of solidification. This is incorrect. Freezing is a type of solidification. Third one is oil is a universal solvent. It is false statement. Water is a universal solvent. Fourth one is breaking of glass is an example of a physical change. This is correct statement, as on breaking of glass no new substance is formed. Fifth one is electric cables appear to hang loosely during winter because of expansion. It is incorrect statement, because in summer expansion is there because of heating. Our next exercise is choose the correct option. First one is which of this is true about matter? It is made up of particles, it occupies space, it has mass. These all are correct, so answer is all of this. Second one is which of these would change water to water vapor? Is it evaporation, condensation, melting or freezing? It is evaporation. Third one is on heating the speed of movement of particles. Is it increases, decreases, stops or remain same? On heating the speed of movement of particles increases. Fourth one is in a solution of sugar and water, what is the solute? Here sugar is solute. Fifth one is which of these is an example of solution in which gas is dissolved in liquid? Is it air, milkshake, lemonade or carbonated drink? The answer is carbonated drink. Sixth one is which of these is example of chemical change? Ripening of fruit, tearing of paper, melting of glaciers or breaking of glass? The correct answer is ripening of fruit, because after ripening of fruit we can't get it in the raw form again. Ripening means pak jana. The last one is heating a substance causes it to expand, contract, become smaller, stay same. On heating the substance is expand. So answer is expand. Our next exercise is match the column. First one is gas. Vapor is a form of gas. So answer is vapor. Second is solid. The ice is a solid, so answer is solid. Third is cooling. Cooling slows down movement of particles. Fourth is water. Water is a universal solvent. And fifth is immiscible. Oil and water are immiscible liquids. Our next exercise is give two examples. First one is matter. Air, water and all things around us are examples of matter. Second one is miscible liquids. Lemon juice and water, milk in water are miscible liquids. Third one is immiscible liquids. Oil in water and hair oil in cooking oil is immiscible liquids. Fourth one is solid dissolved in liquid. Sugar in water and salt in water, means sugar and salt are dissolved in water. Last one is gas dissolved in liquid, that is carbonated drink and air dissolved in water. Now give one word for the following. First one is any substance that has mass and occupies space, that is matter. Second one is changing of liquid into a gaseous form, that is called evaporation. Third one is when two substances mix together such that they are evenly distributed, that is called solution. Fourth one is two liquids that do not mix completely with each other are called immiscible liquids. Fifth one is a type of change in which no new products are formed, that is called physical change. Our next exercise is answer the following. First one is what is matter? Any substance that has mass, that is amount of material in the object, and occupies space is called matter. Second question is differentiate between solids, liquids and gases in terms of their particle arrangement. In solids, particles are tightly packed. In liquids, particles are not as tightly packed as in solids. In gases, particles are far apart from each other. In solids, particles cannot move away from each other. In liquids, particles cannot move away from each other, and in gases, particles can move freely. Solids have fixed shape. Liquids flow and take the shape of the containers they are poured into, while gases can flow easily and take up all the available space. Third question is define melting. How is it different from solidification? First of all, what is melting? Changing of a solid into a liquid is called melting. For example, changing of ice into water. Now, solidification. Changing of liquid into its solid form is called solidification. For example, changing of water into ice. Fourth one is what is solution? Describe the different kinds of solutions with the help of examples. When two substances mix together such that they are evenly distributed, a solid is formed. Solutions may be different types depending upon the state of solute and solvent present in the solution. Now we will see types of solution. First one is solid dissolved in liquid. This type of solution is formed when solute is solid and solvent is liquid. For example, sugar solution and salt solution. Next one is liquid dissolved in liquid. This type of solution is formed when solute and solvent both are liquids. For example, lemon juice and water. Next one is gas dissolved in liquid. This type of solutions is formed when the solute is gas and solvent is liquid. For example, carbonated drinks and air dissolved in water of water bodies which aquatic animals breathe. Next one is gas dissolved in gas. This type of solution is formed when the solute and solvent are both gases. For example, air. Air is a mixture of different gases. Fifth question is differentiate between miscible and immiscible liquids. When two liquids mix together such that they dissolve completely in each other, they are called miscible liquids. For example, when milk is mixed in water, it dissolves completely. Now, immiscible liquids, when two liquids mix together such that they do not dissolve completely in each other, they are called immiscible liquids. For example, when oil is mixed in water, it does not dissolve. Instead, oil and water forms separate layers within a container. Sixth question is, what are physical and chemical changes? Give two examples of each. A physical change is a type of change in which only the physical state of substance changes and no new product is formed. Example, ice cubes taken out of freezer for some time will change into water. A chemical change is a type of change in which the chemical composition of substance changes and a new substance is formed. Burning of paper is an example of chemical change. Seventh question is, why do things expand on heating? When a substance is heated, the particles start vibrating rapidly. Thus, each particle takes up more space because of its increased movement, causing the substance to expand. Write objective type of questions in textbook and keywords and question answers in Fairbook. Thank you.